What is up, guys? It is your boy Blessing back again with another banger, guys. And TP hits on NZDCHF. If you can have a look at my previous video, you can see my analysis there. I just removed everything in order for me to analyze for you guys how did I take the trade just by using these five confluences: the market structure, supply and demand, PVD, liquidity, and the change of character. So confluence number one, the market structure. The market is bearish just by after breaking this low. It's more clearer on the daily time frame what happened. So after breaking that low, the market was bearish. Okay, it's just bearish, guys. Look at this. From the higher highs up there, from the lower highs up there, and the lower lows. So the market is creating lower highs, and lower lows. So it is just bearish. So confluence number two, supply and demand. I have supply here because this is a buy up before the sell down. So this area is my supply. So as you can see, the market uh, came back inside that supply. Okay. So confluence number two, check. Confluence number three, the PVD. If I take my premium resist discount tool from the highest point to the lowest point, or the swing high to the swing low, as you can see, the market has entered inside my premium. So that means it was ready for sales. What do I need next? I need liquidity. So guys, this is how liquidity works. Okay, you all know liquidity now. This is a pump in the road, got taken out. This is also a pump in the road, but I want the major ones. Let me just mark the major ones, because yeah, this is a bump in the road that got taken out, and that was the last bump in the road that got taken out. Okay, and this one also was a bump in the road. It is a bump in the road. Should have been taken out, but the market, as you can see, that it didn't take it out because okay. So confluence number four, check. Why didn't we take out this bump in the road? Because confluence number five, we had the change of character. Let me just mark my I'm just gonna mark my liquidity high, AX. So guys, look at this. From this low, from this swing low to this swing high, the market is bullish, right? Because it's creating higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. So and leaving a low, lower low, excuse me, a low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So just by breaking one of those higher lows, the market represented that it is ready to sell down lower and follow its trend, because the trend is bearish, guys. Okay, so that was your breaker structure up. Excuse me. I don't know. Okay, your second breaker structure up. Another one here. Another one here. So that was the last breaker structure, and then the market started breaking one of the higher lows. It broke that higher low, representing and giving us a change of currency. I'm just gonna put on chart. Okay, a change of character. Then I said, okay, now you got a change of character. So what am I gonna wait for? I'm gonna wait for a fresh supply, because look at this. From this low to this high, it's a buy up before they sell down. Okay, so this area is your supply. But I wanted to refine my supply. So I said I'm gonna put my entry on the supply that broke this high low. See? So look at this. The supply broke this high low. The supply broke this high low. So that was the fresh supply that got created. Um, and I'll show you how did I take my entry. My entry was a sniper entry, guys. My entry was a sniper entry. So if you can look at this, this is your supply, right? So then I looked at from this high to this low. I just looked at this sell. Oh, this sell down. This sell down had two bumps in the road. This high was a bump in the road, and this one was a bump in the road. But I didn't see the need for it to like go up um, to here. I didn't see the need because this was a strong supply because it broke what the high low, giving us a change of character. So I said once the market takes out this liquidity high, it's more clear on the 1 hour time frame, but I'll stick here on the 4 hour time frame because y'all can see the high, guys. Come on. Okay. I said the market should take out this liquidity high, then I'll enter for my shorts. And then the market came back up. So down came back up to take out that high. That is where I got in for my sniper entry sell to the downside all the way to my TP, guys. This was a nice entry, beautiful analysis. Strategy is simple, guys. And then I said, um, excuse me, let me just remove it. When the market was here, okay, when the market was around here, I think, yeah, around here, yeah. I wanted to trade another sell down into the downside, um, with the excuse me with the overall trend that's being created here in the 4 hour, because if you can see the market is just trading a low, a low, a low, a low, a low. So I wanted to make another lower low inside inside these orders that I got in of. Okay, my English is running out, guys. Time is over. Time is over. I'm trying to be a little bit quick. Then I dropped to the look at this. I dropped to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this is a bigger structure representing that the market is paired, right? What do I need next? I need my supply and demand. I have supply here because this is a buy up and a sell down. And look at this. This supply is very strong because it liquidated that high I was talking about, guys. So whenever a supply or a demand liquidates um, a point, okay. So if a supply liquidates a high, it's strong. If a demand liquidates a low, it is strong. So the supply was strong enough to push the market down lower. I didn't see the need for the market to retrace inside this refined supply from this high, from this low to that high, because that was also a push up and a push down. I didn't see the need for the market to retrace inside there because this overall supply was very strong. So I only needed liquidity. Look at this, guys. This was a bump and a roll down. Okay, and if you can check, that bump didn't tap inside that supply, so I wanted a tap and then a change of currency. So what do I need next? I need my PVD. And for this one, guys, the PVD got smushed, got mwah. Look at this, guys. The PVD just got tapped. It just tapped the 0.5 feet. So there was more confidence that, hey, I am ready to give a sale here. What do I need next? And okay, I got my liquidity. What do I need next? I need my change of currency. Okay, so from that low, which low am I talking about? From this low to this high, the market was 1 hourly bullish. Okay, another breaker structure, another breaker structure. I don't have time to fix my trend lines. Okay, so that was the last breaker structure to the upside, and the market started breaking the higher lows. And if you can see, guys, the higher low that was broken right there, right here, it never was broken with a body candlestick. This was an doji candlestick, doji candlestick, whatever you want to call it. This was a doji candlestick. So, and it closed with a wick. If you can, excuse me, if you can zoom in and see clearly, it closed with a wick. That was for me, it wasn't a confirmation that the market is ready to sell. That might be just a liquidity grab to fuel the next leg up, maybe to take out these liquidity highs, because I was also looking at these liquidity highs, but I didn't see the need for the market to come back up here because this high liquidated that high. Okay, so what do I need next? I needed a second fractal break for a for more confirmation, guys. A second fractal break represents more confirmation on the market that the market is ready to sell down lower or whatever, if it's selling, if it's buying up high. Okay, and then I said, how do I get in here? So when the market was here, I wanted to take my entries inside this area of supply. So this buy up before the sell down, but I just said, let me just refine it to the supply, the buy up that broke the fractal low. Okay, so that is where I took my entries, guys, and it was beautiful, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful entries, guys. Beautiful price action here on NZDCHF. Right, guys, this strategy works every time, guys. Works every time. I put my stop loss above that high because I wanted to be in more safe positions, guys. So what next could happen on NZD/USD? The same thing. We should just wait for the market to do like a deeper push down lower and then decides to pull back up again. Maybe take out this liquidity and maybe use this high as a liquidity high or this one. Who knows? Okay. But guys, beautiful price action on NZD/USD. NZDCHF, NZDCHF, I mean. Okay, here on EUR/USD, this is not the EUR/USD I want. Where's the EUR/USD I want? Did I remove it? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. How did I move it? Yeah, I didn't move it. Somehow this thing is crashing out. I already did an analysis here on the EUR/USD. What are we waiting for? So the market, after breaking down this low, the market is bearish. Okay, supply and demand. What do I need? I need supply. The market is inside supply because overall this buy up before this sell down is your area of supply. And what do I need next? I need my PVD. So as you can see, the PVD2 got respected. It's inside premium right now. What do I need next? I need liquidity. This is a liquidity high. This is a liquidity high. This is a liquidity high. These two are liquidity highs that the market, I want the market to take out, and then maybe when it takes out those liquidity highs, that would be this would be the change of cards low that needs to be taken out, and then I'll enter for my shorts again. Simple as that on um, EUR/USD, and then on NZD/USD, it's almost like the same thing. I'll just wait for the market to do like a deeper reaccumulation and tap inside this area of premium. Tap inside it, maybe take out this liquidity high and also this one. Tap inside this area of supply that we left here. So that is a fresh area of supply in order to push the market down lower, and then I'll enter for more shorts on NZD/USD. What do I need next? Excuse me, guys, I have a runny nose. Uh, the same thing goes for GBP/USD. I'll wait for deeper reaccumulation. Guys, look at this. We had a change of character here on the GBP/USD just by taking out the high as our liquidity, and then it gave us a change of character, but it didn't retrace inside the overall supply that we need. This buy up before the sell down, and it didn't retrace inside the PVD, so those sales was invalid for me. And overall, the dollar wasn't ready to push up higher. As you can see, guys, the dollar didn't like give us a change of currency yet, but the dollar is looking beautiful after breaking this high, representing that the market is bullish on the dollar, which causes the dollar pairs to push down lower. Um, and it had liquidity and supply below that liquidity, and right now it's creating some sort of a, let me just remove you, hold on, yeah, It's creating some sort of a descending channel, as you can see. But I do not trade trend lines again, guys. I just use it. I just use them for more confluences. As you can see, just right here, it was a ascending channel. Yeah, which got respected. But guys, look at this. If you trade trend lines, tell me, this is a breakout, right? When was the retest on the trend line? It never happened. It never happened. Only a retest inside this supply. Look at this. This candlestick broke the low, this low, and then the next one retested this area supply. That is where I would wanna enter for shorts. You see, so it's never safe trading trend lines, but it's okay, man. You do you, I do me. So here on the dollar, I would wait for one more push down. Maybe take out this final liquidity end boss, and then I'll go aggressive on maybe on Euro USD. Maybe it will do the same thing. So yeah, guys, I'm just waiting for that. But the markets are looking very beautiful for positions. It's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. USDCHF. Let me see USDCHF. I wasn't interested in USDCHF because it's kind of rangy. Mm, it's not deciding where it wants to go. It's not deciding. Yeah, yeah. It's. I'm not sure if you have used this agent, but it was a good sell for whoever took some sales right here. Just by saying that was their liquidity high got taken out. That liquidity got taken out, and then what do they need next? They needed they needed a change of currency. Here's the change of cards. Here's the retest inside the change of cards. That overall sell, that overall buy before the sell down got retested, and then the market just started taking down lower. There was good positions, but I wasn't interested, guys. I wasn't interested in this position, although it was a good position, but I was not interested. Maybe targeting that low, it could be in beautiful profit, right? Or just target this low. It could be in good profit and a good entry. And guys, I was looking at Bitcoin. Where's this Bitcoin? Where's this Bitcoin now? There it is, Bitcoin. Oh, here it is. Hey, hey, hey. Look at this. Just by using the five confluences, guys. This is so easy, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Using the five confluences. Let me just remove this PVD. Excuse me. Look at this. The market is bearish, right? Okay, what do I need next? I need to pull back inside this bearish market structure, because overall my second confluence is the buy up before the sell down. That is my supply that I had on on BTC, on Bitcoin. So as you can see, the market pulled back inside that area of supply. What do I need next? I need my PVD. Take your PVD tool. I'm gonna be a little bit quicker with this one. Excuse me. Take your oh, guys, Bitcoin, it's very respectful. I'm thinking of trading it. It's very respectful. I'm thinking of trading Bitcoin, guys. This was just an analysis, not a trade. I'm thinking of trading Bitcoin. It's very respectful. Look at this. Look at this, guys. That was a nice tap inside the premium, guys. That was a nice tap inside the premium. And then what do you need next? You need liquidity. This was your liquidity high. What do you need next after the liquidity? You need a change of character. You got the change of character back here. A retest inside the fresh supply that got created, the fresh supply that broke the change of character. And then it's sold down. It's sold down. You would have been in beautiful positions if you were trading that one. Guys, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful price action here on Bitcoin. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. The same confluences again, guys. Just by using the same confluences, guys, we win. We win a lot of money. Oh, guys, we win a lot of money. Look at this. The market structure is bearish. What do I need next? I need my supply and demand. What do I have here? I have a buy up before the sell down. So this is my area of supply. Then the market pushed back up, pulled back up inside the area of supply. And what do I need next? I need my PVD. I need my PVD. So as you can see, guys, the PVD almost got tapped, guys. See, it almost got tapped. See, but the PVD tool, guys, we just use it for more confluence. If the market retraces inside supply, takes out liquidity, give you a change of character, that market is ready to sell. Okay, but the PVD is just for more confluence. And if you can look, if you can have a look, guys, let's just refine our PVD from this high to this low, because right here this is a breaker structure and then this is an area of supply, guys. It's so clean. Look at this. The PVD aligns very well. See, you see, the market retraced inside PVD, we can say that. Okay, and then after it retraced inside PVD, what do I need next? I need my liquidity highs. So these are all my liquidity highs that I marked that I want the market to take out. So the market takes out that liquidity high, and then look at that, guys. Look at this. It started sitting down lower and changed character. So I try. I still know what do I need next. I needed a supply that broke this change of character. So as you can see, this refined supply broke that change of character, and that is where I entered for shorts. Overall, this is just an analysis for a friend that I did. He's a trendline trader, and he got out of this entries but just by seeing this retracement. I think he was making profit right here, and then he saw the retracement and then got out. Man, I told him relax. I told him relax. We still have this area of supply that the market needs to tap and then drop down lower. That thing happened, guys, and again the same thing will happen. Look at this, guy. If you trading Bitcoin, look at this. This is a big structure downside, right? To the downside, okay? And what do you need next? You need the supply and demand. Right here, you have a buy up before the sell down. This is your area of supply, okay? What do you need next? You need the PVD too. Inside your PVD, excuse me. It's bro. Can you respect me a little? Like be a little bit faster. Okay. Take your PVD too from the highest point to highest point to the lowest point, or from the swing high to the swing low. And I think this is beautiful. This is a beautiful entry, guys. What do you need next? You need liquidity, guys. Oh my God, my phone is a bit slow right now. You need liquidity. This is a liquidity high. 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 This is also a liquidity high. That is the final liquidity high. But what liquidity high am I eyeing for? This one is very sexy. This one is very sexy. Why? I'm gonna open a new broker for Bitcoin. I want this entry. Uh. Why am I saying that supply that liquidity high is sexy? Because it has supply above it that never got tapped. You see, that supply never got retested. And if it goes inside this to take out the liquidity high, that would be a nice sell, because it will retrace inside the premium versus discount. Guys, this strategy, guys, oh my God, I love it. I freaking love it. It is so nice. It's so relaxing. Um, it's not complicated. It's not complicating. Yeah, it's not complicated, guys. Just simple price action. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment if you like, and share the video. Turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a video. Thank you guys. Bye.